Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add eye effects to your videos using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. So if you want to add eye effects to your videos, you just have to tap on the effects tool in the CapCut app, which is in the middle of the screen right here. And then you will see these two different options, the video effects and the body effects. Now tap on the body effects and go to headwear. And at the headwear section, you will find all these different eye effects that you can apply in CapCut. They work very professionally. I'm very impressed with this feature in CapCut. It looks amazing. And yeah, it looks almost like professional CGI. So you can apply any of these effects to any videos that you have. You can set them so it is set to the portion of the video that you would like, or to the full video, and then just apply it. You can also adjust the settings. You can change the color, as you can see here. You can change the intensity of the light here, as you can see, and the filter. And that's pretty much it, how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.